Hello students, today I will be taking your value education class of class 1. Okay, and the chapter I was doing, that is chapter number 10, I want to be clean. I want to be clean. The half of the story we have read, and today I will proceed forward. Okay, so we have read up to that Karim was a very dirty boy, and he saw that his neighbor Samrat was walking with a beautiful white dog. The dog's fur was shining in the sunlight and a bright red collar was on his neck. Its nails were trimmed and it smelled of vanilla dog shampoo. Karim loved dogs, but we can see that Karim was himself a dirty boy. Okay, now let's see what happened next. The other children came out. All of you open page number 67 of your value education book. Okay, so page number 67. Let's see. The other children came out to see Samrat's dog. They wanted to pet Rover. Samrat says, please don't touch Rover with dirty hands. Dirt brings germs and Rover will fall sick. So Samrat says, please don't touch Rover with dirty hands because dirt brings germs and Rover will fall sick. Karim wanted to pet Rover too. He looked at his hands and clothes. They were covered with mud, means they were very dirty. They were covered with mud. Karim ran home. Grandmother was surprised to see him rushing to take a bath. So now grandmother was so surprised to see him rushing to take a bath. Karim bathed and changed into clean clothes. He put on shining shoes. Then he dashed out to meet Rover. Now wearing clean clothes and clean shoes, now he is going to meet Rover. It was great fun playing with Rover. From that day on, little Karim never missed a bath in his life. He kept clean all day too. Okay. So after that event, little Karim was never be so dirty, and then onwards, he was so clean. Okay. So from this chapter, we come to know that we should never be dirty. We should be clean always, right? And we should take bath also every day. So now let's do the exercises. Page number 68. We need to tick the correct option. Page number 68. Let's do this. Number 1. Grandmother did not like dirt because option A, it brought germs and sickness, and option B, she had to clean it. Option A is the correct option, right? Option A is the correct option. Number 2. Grandmother wanted Karim to be clean because option A, it would keep him healthy, or option B, his clothes would need to be washed. What is the correct option? Grandmother wanted Karim to be clean because option A, it would keep him healthy, right? Here also option A is the correct option. Number 3. Karim did not clean himself because option A, he did not want to bother with it, or option B, he wanted to make the house dirty. So here also Karim did not clean himself because option A is the correct option, that is, he did not want to bother with it. Option A. Number 4. Karim could not play with Rover because option A, his muddy hands could make Rover sick, or option B, he was afraid of Rover. So here also Karim could not play with Rover because option A is the correct option. His muddy hands could make Rover sick. So here also option A is the correct option. And number 5. Karim became a clean boy because option A, he wanted to play with Rover, or option B, there was no more mud to play with. So here also option A is the correct option. He wanted to play with Rover. So Karim became a clean boy because he wanted to play with Rover. Okay, done. Now let's do the next part. Number 1. Here also take the correct option. On a cold winter morning, which one of these will you do? Option A, bath in warm water before going to school, or option B, skip bathing before going to school. So option A, that is bath in warm water before going to school, right? Number 2. Turn to the next page. When you sweat in the heat, what do you wipe your face with? Option A, the sleeves of your shirt, or option B, a handkerchief. So option B is the correct option, right? A handkerchief. Number 3. Which one of these should you do regularly? Option A, trim your nails, and option B, let your nails grow long and dirty. So option A is the correct option, right? Trim your nails. Okay. Now turn to the page number 70. You can see the remember part. These points you need to remember. First point, brush your teeth every morning and night. So we need to brush twice a day, right? Morning and night. Point number 2, bath every day. We should take bath every day. Number 3, wear clean clothes. So we should always wear clean clothes, right? Point number 4, wash your hands before and after every meal. So we should always wash our hands before and after every meal. Point number 5, keep your nails short. So we should always keep our nails trimmed and clean, right? Next point, keep your hair clean and neat. We should always keep our hair clean and neat, right? Next point, eat healthy food. So we should always eat healthy food. And the last point, all these habits will keep you healthy and well. So all the points we can see here will keep us healthy and well, right? And we all know about it. Okay, so remember these points. Okay, so the chapter is also completed today. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye.